Could you survive and thrive on just $800 a month? Maya does. She's a single mom in Spain with no financial safety net, yet she's building a rich life through extreme frugality, clever trades, and zero-waste living. Maya doesn't follow old saving tips. Instead, she turns food scraps into meals, trades skills with neighbors, and uses clever apps to cut costs. Her lifestyle isn't about being poor, it's about being smart, creative, and free. In fact, Maya is mastering what's known as stealth wealth, living below her means while building real financial independence on a low income. In this story, we follow Maya's everyday tricks that help her save money, stay healthy, and build a life full of joy, not stress. Life is getting more expensive around the world. Rent is rising, food costs more, and many people are working harder just to keep up. Even with a job, it's tough to save money or feel safe about the future. For low-income families, it can feel like there's never enough. But some people are finding smart new ways to live better with less. They embrace ultra-frugal tips, avoid lifestyle inflation, and rethink spending entirely. They trade instead of buying, grow their own food, or use apps to get free things. These aren't old saving tricks, they're modern, creative hacks. Frugal living today is not about feeling poor or missing out. It's about using what you have in clever ways. Maya, the woman in our story, shows us how this works in real life. Her daily choices help her live better, not just cheaper, and her ideas can help anyone anywhere. From post-war families who grew their own food to the 2008 crisis that brought thrift stores back in fashion, frugality has evolved. Today, it's not just about need, it's a strategy for freedom and happiness. Now, many people live frugally because they want freedom. They trade skills, share tools, grow food in city gardens, and use technology to save money and waste less. Being frugal today is about being clever, not cheap. It's a lifestyle choice that feels good, and it's growing all around the world. Maya is part of this new wave. She's not just saving money, she's building a better, freer life. Maya lives in a small apartment in Seville, Spain, with her 2-year-old daughter. A few years ago, she worked full-time in a hotel, but when COVID-19 hit, she lost her job. Now she works part-time at a local cafe, earning just enough to cover her basic bills. At first, she felt stuck, lonely, broke, and unsure how to get ahead. But everything changed when she joined a neighborhood Facebook group. People there were offering to trade skills, like sewing, childcare, or cooking, instead of money. Maya offered to mend clothes, and in return, she got homemade meals, free babysitting, and even a second-hand stroller. Her mornings now start with a quick look at an app that lists leftover food from stores. She picks up day-old bread and fruit for almost nothing. At home, she makes banana peel pancakes and vegetable scrap soup. In the afternoons, she does laundry at a shared co-op, which saves her over 30% each month. On weekends, she joins online flash sales, reselling gently used clothes and toys. Once a week, Maya hosts a swap night with 3 other moms. They bring cooked food, hand-me-downs, or small services to exchange. No money changes hands, but everyone leaves with something they need. Maya says she doesn't feel poor anymore, just smart. She has less stress, better food, and a growing circle of friends. Her story shows that frugal living isn't just about saving money, it's about building a life full of value and connection. Maya's journey mirrors the global trend of extreme frugality becoming a powerful path to freedom. Number 1. 6 unusual frugal practices worth trying. Here are 6 smart and creative ways Maya saves money. These are not the usual cut coupons or skip coffee tips. These are unusual frugal hacks you won't find in typical savings guides, but they've helped Maya save over $200 per month while living better, not poorer. 1. Banana peel flour for baking. Maya doesn't throw away banana peels. She boils, dries, and grinds them into a powder. This becomes banana peel flour, which she mixes with regular flour to make pancakes or muffins. It's full of fiber and cuts waste. It also saves her from buying expensive baking ingredients. 2. Shared garden plots in the city. Maya and her neighbors rent a small garden spot together. Each person plants a few things: tomatoes, lettuce, herbs. They split the work and the food. It's fresh, cheap, and fun. Even in cities, many places have these shared gardens. 3. Skill swap coupons. Instead of money, Maya and her friends use skill coupons. One coupon might be good for a haircut, another for tutoring a child. Maya trades sewing help for English lessons. It's simple and free. 4. Timed thrift resales. She sells used baby clothes and toys at the perfect time, weekends or right after holidays, when people shop more. She posts on local apps and groups, bundles items together, and offers small discounts. This way, she sells faster and earns more. 5. Group laundry co-ops. Instead of using coin machines alone, Maya joins neighbors to book machines together and share detergent. They also split discount vouchers. Everyone saves, and it feels like a little team effort. 6. Time for access barter. Maya doesn't pay for streaming services. She gives short fitness lessons online and, in return, gets access to movies, books, or lessons. It's a give and take that helps both sides without money. These ideas might sound different, but they work, and they can work for you too. Number 2. Wider benefits. More than just saving. For Maya, frugal living is not just about saving money. It brings many other good things too. First, she feels part of a strong community. By swapping and sharing, she has made new friends who help each other every week. She no longer feels alone. Second, her family eats healthier. The food she grows or gets from food apps is fresh and often better than store-bought meals. She's also wasting less, which helps the planet. Third, her mental health has improved. Maya says that helping others and learning new things gives her confidence. She feels proud, not poor. And finally, she's teaching her daughter something powerful: how to live smart, not just cheap. A recent study in London found that communities who share and trade reduce waste by 35% and feel more connected. That's proof that frugal living doesn't just help your wallet, it builds a better life. Number 3. How you can start. Step-by-step plan. Want to live like Maya? You can start small. Here's a simple plan anyone can follow. Step 1. Write down 2 or 3 things you're good at, like cooking, cleaning, fixing things, or tutoring. These are your trade skills. Step 2. Look for a local group or app like Swap Silo or Facebook barter groups. Join one and say what you can offer. Step 3. Try a simple zero-waste recipe. Use food scraps, like banana peels or vegetable tops, in your next meal. Step 4. Visit a secondhand store or app. Find something you can resell or trade. Step 5. Talk to a neighbor or a friend about doing a small swap, like trading dinner for help with laundry. Step 6. Keep track of how much money and stress you save each week. Even small steps can make a big difference. Start with one idea and see how good it feels. Frugal living sounds great, but it's not always easy at first. Some people may not understand your choices. Trading skills takes time and trust. Finding good barter groups or free apps may take a little effort. Also, saving money doesn't fix everything. If you don't earn enough or have big debts, you still need help from jobs, government programs, or support groups. But even with these challenges, small changes can help. Frugal living won't solve every problem, but it can give you more control, less waste, and better habits. Start simple and grow at your own pace. Today, Maya saves about $200 each month, not by working more, but by living smarter. Her fridge is full, her rent is paid, and her daughter is happy and healthy. But Maya isn't stopping there. Her next dream is to open a free, frugal living club in her neighborhood. She wants to teach other women how to cook with food scraps, sew their own clothes, and sell secondhand items online. She's even planning to record short videos to share online, so anyone in the world can learn these skills. Maya believes that frugal living is more than saving money. It's a way to feel strong, free, and connected. She says, "You don't need more money to live well. You just need to think differently." Maya's story proves you don't need more money to live well, just better habits. If this inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what's the most unusual way you save money? A growing group of people around the world are turning to frugal, creative living not because they have to, but because it works. And that's a future full of hope.